Welcome to Parenting Tips
and
BabyCare. Remember to
subscribe.
and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Parenting Tips
And
BabyCare. 30 weeks pregnant. Essential tips and common symptoms to know. 30 weeks pregnant. 10 weeks to go. Baby is as big as a zucchini. Baby size is 15.7 inches. Baby weight is 2.9 pounds. Key takeaways at 30 weeks pregnant. Braxton Hicks contractions. Practice contractions may occur, causing your belly to tighten and loosen, especially after physical activity. Relax or change positions, and contact your doctor if they become frequent or regular. Stronger baby movements. Baby's kicks and jabs may feel sharper as they have less room to move. Nesting instinct. You may feel the urge to organize and prepare for the baby, but remember to take breaks and avoid overexerting yourself. Physical changes and attention. Your growing belly might make sleeping uncomfortable and draw comments from others. Embrace the compliments like, "You're glowing," and let go of unnecessary remarks. Baby at week 30. Appearance and features. Baby has a good amount of hair on their head. Eyes open wide and begin to distinguish surroundings. Fingernails are growing, and baby practices grabbing by holding feet or the umbilical cord. Skin and fat development. Skin looks smoother due to increased fat stores. Fat helps regulate body temperature and provides energy for the rapidly developing brain. Shedding lanugo. Baby begins shedding lanugo, the soft, down-like hair that kept them warm. Vernix, the waxy substance protecting baby's skin, is also disappearing. Baby's size at 30 weeks. Size comparison. Baby is about the size of a zucchini. Measurements. Baby is approximately 15.7 inches long and weighs around 2.9 pounds. Growth rate. Baby grows about half a pound and half an inch each week.
Tight belly.
The rapid growth is why your belly feels increasingly tight at this stage. 30 weeks pregnant in months. 7 months pregnant. At 30 weeks, you are over 7 months pregnant. Close to the finish line. Only about 10 weeks remain until your due date, give or take.
Symptoms.
Weird dreams. Hormones and anxiety may cause strange dreams or nightmares.
Heartburn.
Triggered by greasy, spicy, heavy, or acidic foods. Avoid these, especially before bedtime. Trouble sleeping. Discomfort and a racing mind may lead to tossing, turning, and fatigue. Swelling. Mild puffiness is normal and can be reduced by elevating your feet. What to expect at 30 weeks pregnant. Early symptoms returning. Symptoms like exhaustion and moodiness may come back. Frequent urination. The need to pee all the time may become a recurring issue. Mood swings. Hormonal changes can make frustration and moodiness more intense. Self-care. Prioritize rest and find ways to support your physical and mental well-being. Thanks for watching.
Please like,
Share, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.